In this video,
we will learn how to make a army outfit in GTA 5. In GTA 5 online, in order to make a military outfit, all you need to do is firstly head into any of the clothing store near you. So clothing stores are designated with a t-shirt icon on the map. So you can just get here. After getting into the clothing store, all you need to do is firstly head to the top section. In here you need to scroll down until you find the utility tops. In here you can choose any of the combat shirts in here to make a army outfit look. After that you need to head back. From there head to the pants section, go in here. In here you need to also scroll down, then head into utility pants section. In here you will find various guarded cargo. You can wear them to get a army look. After that is done, we can head to the accessories section, which is right over at this corner. From here we can buy our gloves. So we also bought a matching glove, which is the blue digital armored gloves. Now you can also purchase some military grade helmets from the hats section. In here you need to scroll down until you find the combat helmets tab. Then head into it. In here you can find various helmets. You can just choose any of those that you prefer or you like. Now you can also purchase some goggles with your helmet. In order to do that, head into this section. From here you need to head into the sports glasses tab. In here you will find various camoed goggles which you can wear for your character, and you can match it as you wish. Now you can also show your armor like this in here. In order to do that, press the interaction menu on your keyboard, which is the M button. From here head into the health and ammo section, then body armor. Then under the equip armor tab you will select the super heavy armor option. By that you can also show your body armor as a military outfit. So this is essentially how you can easily make a military outfit for your character in GTA 5 online and enjoy the game as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.